Hello everyone, this is KD here. This is the activity video on eating with everyone. This video will help you in your academic progress. So keep on watching the video from beginning to end. Happy digital learning. Have a nice day. Activity 1. MCQ on Festivals of India. This is the activity 1. We are going to see the multiple choice question on festivals of India. So pay attention. Indian festivals. All of you know India is a land of different religions and land of many festivals. India is a land of mixed cultures. So India is a colorful in festivals. This is the first question of activity 1, MCQ 1. Which of the following festivals is associated with Mother Goddess Durga? Navratri, Durgashtami, Mahanavami, or all the above? Answer is D, all the above. Explanation. Navratri, Durgashtami and Mahanavami are the festivals related to Mother Goddess Durga. Now let's come to question 2. Question 2. Dussehra festival is also known as A. Vijayadashmi, B. Dhanush, C. Dasain, or D. Only A and C. Answer is D. That is only A and C. That is Vijayadashmi and Dhanush. Explanation. Dussehra festival is also known as Vijayadashmi, Dasara, Dasera, Dasara, Dasera, or Dasain. Question 3. Which festival falls on? Which festival fell on 17 October 2019? Diwali, Dhanteras, Dussehra, or Karwa Chauth? Answer is D, Karwa Chauth. Explanation. Karwa Chauth festival fell on the 4th day. Karwa Chauth festival falls on the 4th day after the full moon in the month of Kartik and is celebrated on 17th October 2019 last year. Which festival? Question 4. Which festival is known as Dhantrayodasi? Diwali, Dhanteras, Bhaiya Dooj, or none of the above? Answer is B, Dhanteras. Explanation. Dhanteras festival is celebrated on the 13th day of the Kartik month of dark lunar fortnight and is also known as Dhantrayodasi. Question 5. Which festival is celebrated in return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile? Diwali, Festival of Lights, both A and B, neither A nor B. Answer is C, both A and B. That's when Diwali or Festival of Lights. Explanation. Diwali festival is the festival of lights which is celebrated when Lord Rama returned back to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Which Question 6. Which festival is celebrated during the Amavasya of the Kartik month? Diwali, Govardhan Puja, Dhanteras, or none of the above? Answer is A, Diwali. Explanation. Diwali festival is celebrated during the Amavasya of the Kartik month. Question 7. Govardhan is also known as Annakut, mountain of food, both A and B, or neither A nor B. Answer is C, Annakut and mountain of food. Explanation. Govardhan is also known as Annakut, which means mountain of food. Question 8. MCQ 8 of Activity 1. Question 8. Lord Krishna is also known as Girdhari, Govardhandhari, Govinda, or all the above? Answer is D, all the above. Explanation. Lord Krishna is also known as Govinda, Madhusudana, Vasudeva, Mukunda, Girdhari, Govardhandhari, etc. Question 9. Which festival is associated with the story of Yama, the god of death and Yamna? Diwali, Dasara, Bhaiya Dooj, or Govardhan Puja? Answer is C, Bhaiya Dooj. Explanation. According to one legend, Yama, the god of death, met his sister Yamuna on Dvitiya, and so from that day Bhaiya Dooj festival is celebrated. Now the last question of MCQ of activity 1. The last question of activity 1, MCQ 10, question 10. Bhai Dooj festival is also known as Yama Dvitiya, Bhai Tika, Bharat Dvitiya, or all the above. Answer is D, all the above. Explanation. Bhai Dooj festival is also known as Bhai Tika, Yam Dvitiya, Bharat Dvitiya, Yama Dvitiya, or Yama Dvitiya, etc. So this was the end of activity 1, MCQ, question 1 to 10. Let's come to activity 2, MCQ on Indian food. Activity 2, multiple choice question on Indian food. Let's see what are the different types of food India have and how they get together. India is a land of festivals. Many festivals are celebrated in India, and whenever there is a festival occasion, there is a getting together. Obviously, different types of food are organized so that people can have. Community eatings. The function of community eating organized so that people have food together. Now come to question 1 of activity 2, MCQ on Indian food, question 1. This sweet is made from deep fried thick sugar syrup and shaped into a large pretzel-like shape, usually orange in color. What is this? Jalebi, Bhakarwadi, Gajar ka halwa, or Rasgulla? Answer is jalebi. Jalebi is a common sweet in India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. It can be yellow or orange in color. Question 2 of activity 2, MCQ on Indian food, question 2. This South Indian curry is prepared mainly with the juices of tamarind or tomato, along with a few spices. Options are sambar, rasam, curry, or raita. Answer is rasam. Rasam is commonly consumed with rice. It is extremely popular with all states of South India. Question 3. Which of these is a popular dish from the Udupi cuisine? Which of these is a popular dish from the Udupi cuisine? Options are poha, puri, vada, or dosa. The correct answer is dosa. Idli and dosa are the most popular dishes from the Udupi cuisine. They are very common in metros like Mumbai as fast food. Question 4. The Hyderabadi question is a blend of which of the following question? Mughlai, Lucknowi and Persian, or Mughlai, Aryan and Persian, or Aryan, Vedic and Mughlai, or Assamese, Persian and Lucknowi. The correct answer is Mughlai, Lucknowi and Persian. Hyderabadi biryani is considered to be one of the best variations of the biryani. The city of Hyderabad has strong Mughlai influences and also has a substantial Islamic population. Question 5. Which of these is an important ingredient of South Indian cooking? Curd, lassi, coconut oil, or ghee? The correct answer is coconut oil. North Indian cooking involves the use of ghee instead of coconut oil used in South Indian cooking. Ghee is clarified butter and is commonly prepared in Indian households. Question 6. What is the main ingredient of chapati? Rice flour, urad dal flour, moong dal flour, or wheat flour? The correct answer is wheat flour. Chapati may also contain other grains like bajra and jawar. Chapatis are usually round and thin and vary in sizes. They are usually served with ghee on top and commonly consumed with pulses and vegetables. Question 7. This fast food, commonly eaten in Maharashtra, resembles a burger. What is this? Kathi roll, samosa, frankie, or vada pav? The correct answer is vada pav. Vada pav is commonly called the Indian burger. It is one of the most popular fast food on the streets of Mumbai. It consists of a potato cutlet sandwich between a pav, a type of small square bread. Question 8. This dish is made of red kidney beans with assorted spices. It is a delicacy of North India. Chana dal, rajma, moong dal, or kheer. The correct answer is rajma. Rajma is made of red kidney beans and can be served with rice or chapati. Now question 9. What is a bhatura? What is a bhatura? It is a type of dal with mixed pulses, or a type of egg soup, or a type of utensil used in North Indian cooking, or a type of bread. Correct answer is a type of bread. A bhatura resembles a puri. However, it is much larger in size. It is commonly consumed with chole, that is chickpea gravy. Now come to the last question of activity 2, or the last question of this video. Question 10, activity 2, question 10, MCQ on Indian food. Which of these is a Bengali sweet? Which of these is a Bengali sweet? Options are payasam, kheer, rasgulla, or kulfi. The correct answer is rasgulla. Rasgulla is white in color. It resembles the gulab jamun. It is served with sugar syrup. Another popular Bengali sweet is sandesh. So rasgulla is the Bengali sweet. So I have explained you and prepared this activity video on eating with everyone. I hope you like this video. So keep on watching my video and try to understand it and gain knowledge through online education and enjoy. So keep on watching my all video. Now I'm ending this activity video on eating with everyone. Goodbye. Good luck.